Do you have old furniture that needs a new look? Maybe it's a side table with chipped paint, a dresser that's seen better days, or a coffee table that's scratched and worn out. Don't worry, you don't have to throw them away or spend a fortune on new pieces. There's a simple and cost-effective solution that can breathe new life into your old furniture. Contact paper is the answer. It's easy to use and can transform your furniture in no time. Just measure, cut and apply. It's that simple. Whether you're covering a large surface or adding a decorative touch, contact paper makes the process straightforward and fun. You can make your furniture look brand new. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a tired old piece turn into something stylish and modern. With a little creativity and some contact paper, the possibilities are endless. You can achieve a high-end look without the high-end price tag. Contact paper is affordable too. You don't need to break the bank to give your furniture a fresh start. It's a budget-friendly option that delivers impressive results. Plus, it's available at most home improvement stores and online, making it easy to find and purchase. It comes in so many colors and patterns. From classic wood grains to modern geometric designs, there's something for every taste and style. You can mix and match patterns to create a unique look or stick to a single design for a cohesive appearance. You'll find the perfect match for your style. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetic or something more eclectic, there's a contact paper design that will complement your decor. Take your time to explore the options and choose the one that speaks to you. Let's get started on your furniture makeover. Gather your materials, pick your favorite design and transform your old furniture into something new and exciting. It's a fun and rewarding project that anyone can do. So roll up your sleeves and let your creativity shine. Here's what you need for your contact paper project. Contact paper in your favorite pattern, measuring tape, scissors or a craft knife, straight edge or ruler, smoothing tool or credit card, pencil and a hairdryer, which is optional. Choosing the right contact paper is important. Think about the look you want. Do you prefer bold patterns or maybe subtle textures? Contact paper comes in many options. Consider durability too. Some contact papers are better for high traffic areas. They are waterproof and scratch resistant. Choose wisely for long-lasting results. Clean your furniture before applying contact paper. Use a damp cloth to wipe away dust and dirt. Let it dry completely. Now it's time to measure. Use a measuring tape. Measure the surface you want to cover. Add a few extra inches to each side. This ensures you have enough contact paper. Applying contact paper like a pro, smooth and bubble-free. It's all about the technique and a bit of patience. Whether you're updating an old piece of furniture or adding a new touch to your decor, the key is in the details. First, cut your contact paper to size, but leave a few inches extra on all sides. This extra margin will give you some leeway to make adjustments as you go. Measure twice, cut once. It's a golden rule in any DIY project. Make sure your scissors are sharp to get clean edges. Then, peel back a small section of the backing paper. Start from one corner and work your way across. This helps in managing the sticky surface and prevents it from sticking to itself. A little patience here goes a long way. Carefully align the contact paper with the edge of your furniture. Take your time to ensure it's straight. If you rush this step, you might end up with a crooked application. Use the extra inches you left earlier to make minor adjustments. Use a smoothing tool or even a credit card. This helps in pressing the contact paper firmly onto the surface, ensuring it adheres well. Start from the center and work your way outwards to push out any air bubbles. Smooth out the contact paper as you peel back the backing. Work slowly and carefully. This step is crucial for a flawless finish. If you notice any bubbles, lift the paper gently and reapply. Patience is key here. This prevents bubbles and wrinkles. A smooth, bubble-free finish not only looks professional, but also ensures the longevity of your project. Take a step back and admire your work. You've just transformed your furniture with a simple yet effective technique. Mastering edges and corners, a polished finish. Edges and corners can be tricky, but don't worry, you can do it. Use a hairdryer to soften the contact paper. This makes it more pliable. Carefully press the contact paper around the edges. Use your fingers or a smoothing tool. Trim any excess contact paper with scissors. Extra protection for lasting beauty. Want extra protection for your furniture? You can add a clear sealant, A sealant will make your contact paper waterproof. It will also protect against scratches. Apply the sealant according to the manufacturer's instructions. Let it dry completely before using your furniture. Style your revamped furniture. Let your creativity shine. Now for the fun part, styling. Your revamped furniture will look amazing. Add some personality with decorative accents. Try placing a vase of flowers on your dresser or arrange some books on your side table. Let your creativity shine. Conclusion. Embrace the power of contact paper. Contact paper is an incredibly versatile and transformative tool that can breathe new life into your old furniture. Whether you're looking to refresh a tired table, revamp a worn-out dresser, or add a touch of style to your shelves, contact paper is your go-to solution. It's not just about covering up imperfections, it's about creating a whole new look that reflects your personal style and creativity. Congratulations, you've transformed your old furniture. The satisfaction of seeing a piece of furniture go from drab to fab is unparalleled. With just a few simple steps, you've managed to create something that looks brand new. The best part? You did it all yourself, without the need for expensive tools or professional help. Contact paper is a game changer. Available in a myriad of patterns and textures, it allows you to experiment with different looks until you find the perfect one. From marble to wood grain, geometric patterns to floral designs, the options are endless. This flexibility makes it easy to match your furniture to your existing decor or to create a bold new statement piece. It's easy, affordable, and fun. Remember these steps: clean, measure, apply, and smooth. Start by cleaning the surface thoroughly to ensure the contact paper adheres properly. Measure your furniture to cut the contact paper to the right size. Apply it carefully, smoothing out any bubbles as you go. The process is straightforward and the results are instantly gratifying. Measure, apply, smooth, and style. These simple steps can turn any piece of furniture into a stylish addition to your home. The transformation is not just visual. It also adds a layer of protection to your furniture, making it more durable and easier to clean. Now you can give any piece of furniture a fresh start. Whether it's a hand-me-down from a relative or a thrift store find, contact paper can make it look like a high-end piece. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Share your amazing furniture makeovers on social media. Show off your creativity and inspire others to take on their own DIY projects. Your transformation could be the motivation someone else needs to start their own. Use #ContactPaperMakeover. By sharing your projects, you become part of a community of DIY enthusiasts who love to transform and create. It's a great way to get feedback, find new ideas, and connect with like-minded individuals. Inspire others to try this easy DIY project. Your creativity and effort can spark a wave of inspiration, encouraging others to see the potential in their own furniture. So go ahead, embrace the power of contact paper and let your imagination run wild.